Choose your desired products and click on Add to Cart, or directly click on the cart symbol in the upper right corner and then on View Cart. You can now verify your items added and the total sum to pay. If you would like to quickly add another product, simply click on Quick Add and enter the number or item name of your desired product. Add your desired quantity and click on Add Item. You can also save items for later by clicking on the green link. If you wish to apply a promo code, enter the code in the box on the right and click on Apply. By clicking on the green Proceed to Checkout button below, you will be guided through the ordering procedure. On the next page, choose your desired shipping address. If you scroll down, you can enter some more shipping instructions and choose between different delivery options, such as your preferred delivery date, partial delivery, or the delivery method. By clicking on Continue, a window appears informing you about our additional service costs if applicable. Click Yes to proceed to the next step. Add your desired order reference by typing it into the white box. If you did not enter a promo code earlier and you wish to do it now, you can do so by entering it into the box on the right. Your delivery service items are displayed in the list below. Click on Continue to review your order summary. Click on Place Order and a confirmation message will appear.